So now we're going to have our lunch from Fusion K Foodies. Some bulgogi, pork bulgogi. It's a pork bulgogi. Shomai. We have a chapsi. Pork bulgogi. We have kimchi, and then we have, of course, rice. I'm hungry. I'm really hungry. Sarap to. I already tasted their beef bulgogi, so right now I'm going to have some review of that. Also siomai. 2 pieces of siomai. I usually eat the siomai kasi sarap naman. Traditional noodles, chapsi, Korean noodles. Next time I will make my own chapsi. I will try it. So we have here. Let's see what vegetable they put in it. On it. Carrots. Put some carrots. Oh, only carrots. I think it's only carrots. This is good for if you are mahilig kayo sa samgyupsal. Para siyang all-in-one kasi yung meat niya. Yung meat niya is ganun ang lasa. We have here kimchi. Mahilig ako sa kimchi. Kasi parang siyang at least meron ka pa rin gulay kahit pa paano. Kahit kumakain ka ng chicken, meat, so it's okay. I also want, next time I will review their radish pickles. Masarap. So much. I forgot you have chopsticks. Done with the first chopsy. I'm done with the chopsy. Try kong kumain ng madami kasi I'm going to work after my work here. I'm going to work another job for 4 hours. So, after nitong 7.5 hours, because that's our regular, it's our full-time hours here. Lilipat naman ako dun sa part-time, which is 4 hours only, since I can't make it to 5 hours because my out is 6 p.m. I should say. Ayaw ko naman ayaw ko siyang magmadali after ko nito. Kasi di naman ako alis dito ng exactly 6 p.m. That's why I need to go there 7 p.m. para may oras pa ako maglakad. It's 10 minutes away from here, from my work, dito sa isa. So okay lang maglakad. But if you're watching this, masasabi ko is, kung bakit gusto ko dito. Kasi, I can work, pwede tayong mag-work ng 3 job, gusto kasi kaya mo, pero syempre, depende sa time management. Time management pala kung gusto mo makapag-work ng 2, 3. Dito. Because okay lang. Unlike when I was there in the Philippines. Nandyan ba ako sa Pinas? Hindi kami pwedeng mag-work ng another job. Unless na siguro may business ka, pwede pa mag-business ka. Kasi pag sabi nila, kung may alas ng government, 24/7, so ganun. Dito naman is downside is pag hindi ka full-time, no work, no pay. But if you're full-time and you have those benefits, you have the benefits of the program. Meron kaming 5 days sick leave. Meron din kaming 3 days personal leave. Meron din kaming parang 2 weeks or 10 days vacation. Yan yung pag full-time ka. Pero pag part-timer ka, you will pag part-timer guys, wala. Work. No work, no pay. Ayun, pag sa Pinas ka, government employee ka, meron kang mga bonus, meron kang mga mid-year, meron kang year-end bonus, meron kang performance bonus. I think, hindi ako nagkakamali. Meron kang rice allowance. Rice allowance. Kasi when I was back there, meron kang combat duty pay. Depende kung saan ka naka-assign. So, meron mga pa-bonus. Yun lang pinakaiba dito. You need to work hard. Kailangan mo magtrabaho talaga. To survive, syempre. Living here abroad is not easy. Totoo yun. Lalo na kapag wala kang kasama, wala kang family. thing lang is scam. I've seen her. Tapos andito yung kapatid ko. Kaya parang hindi ako ganun ka. Sobrang homesick. Pero syempre, namimiss ko rin naman ang Pilipinas. Mga naiwan ko yung mga kapatid ko. Ang mga kakilala ko, mga kaibigan, barkada, mga ganun. Tsaka yung iniwan ko dyan. Ang iniwan ko. Tsaka ang dagat natin. Sobrang. Miss ko yun. Namimiss kong mag-free dive. Island hopping. Kasi nandito ako sa liblib eh. Nakakapag-swimming kami, although yeah. Nakakapag-swimming kasi we have the recreational center here. Pero, iba pa rin yung dagat. Iba pa rin yung parang sea lang. Iba yung iba pa rin naman talaga ang Pilipinas. Nakakamiss. Pero no choice. Ganun talaga ang buhay. I resigned. Pinili kong pumunta dito. I came here as an international student. Wow. Times na. Stress ka na dun sa work. Sa work. Kaya, pero pumunta ako na ako. Stress din pala. Ganun din pala yung stress. Nag-aaral ako. Kasi, hirap. Totoo lang, mahirap siya. Assignments. Lahat ng subjects may assignments. Although, parang sa 6 na subject, 6. Either isa lang ang ma-exam doon. Pero karamihan, assignments talaga. So, lahat ng subjects na may assignments kayo. Projects. May final projects. May assignments pa. May forums pa. So, parang na-stress na rin naman talaga. Pero yun know. God knows. Tsaka isa pa pala, may kwento ako. Umiyak ako sa nakakuha ako ng 1/10 sa isang subject ko. Grabe. Grabe yung iyak ko that time. Parang hindi ako makapaniwala. Pero sa wakas nakapagtapos na naman. Kaya nga ako ngayon. Full-time work. Part-time na lang. Puro work na lang para makabawi. Kabawi sa ginastos, makasave. Mataas ng question. Pwede nyo mag-comment. Gusto nyo lang. Gusto ba? Lalo lang pag may tanong kayo about how paano ang do-it-yourself at nag-DIY kayo application as an international student. Because that was that. Kasi yun ang ginawa ko. Hindi ako nag-agency kasi mahal ang agency. Ano lang. Sure. Fusion cake. Papanood mo to? Okay. Katulad din ng first time na kumain ako sa inyo. Tikman ko. Pero sabi ko, I am there. One of their customer pagdating sa siomai. So that's our lunch. Ito na pagkain ko hanggang 11 p.m. Medyo mabigat siya. Pag nag-diet ka, siguro don't eat the rice. Pero kung katulad mo ako na magtatrabaho pa hanggang 11, hanggang 11 p.m. pwede na. Siguro tunaw na yun. Tunaw na hanggang pag-uwi. Kasi pag-uwi pa ako, kakain pa ako. I'm always having oh, sorry. Sorry. I'm always having a heavy meal. Tapos after work kasi mabigat kasi ang trabaho, kaya kailangan kong kumain. That fusion cake. So, if you have questions, you might comment down below. Thank you. Hanggang sa susunod na review ko ng mga food or mga kwentuhan lang. Simpromptu. Maraming salamat. Paalam.